AWAZ app, is it legit or scam? By the end of this video, you will know if truly AWAZ live streaming app pays or not. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Celine. If this is your first time of coming across my video, please do well to like, share, comment and turn on your notification so that whenever I drop any update like this, you'll be among the people that will be notified. So guys, let's go to my income. I want to do a live withdrawal right now. Let's see if I will be able to withdraw from AWAZ app or not. Okay, this is what I'm having now, 100,000 beans. So let's click withdrawal. Yeah, once you have 100,000 is equals to $10. I don't have any beans that is locked. If you're not doing exchange, your beans might be locked, so try and be doing exchange while you are performing your task. So I'm going to change this currency type. I want to put it in Nigeria. Oh, Brazil, of course. I want to put it in Nigeria. Yeah, because I'm a Nigerian and I want to use my Nigerian account and withdraw it. So I'm going to put my payment method OPay. So I'm going to put the amount that I want to withdraw, 100. Yeah, you will withdraw from 100,000. Yeah, is both. So for the exchange this night is $1 is 1,490 naira. So the total amount that I'm going to receive in my account right now is 14,900. So I'm going to put in my phone number, yeah, because OPay is phone number that you will use. Then I'll put my name. Okay, hope you're seeing it. Celine Ujunwa Apollos. So this is my name. I've put my name. Okay, what else? Nothing else. So enter a multiple of 100 equals to 14,900. $1 is 1,490 naira. So I'll put my number, I've put my name. So let's check if I'll be able to withdraw or not. Oh my god. Let's go. With the count of one, two, go. Are you sure you want to proceed with the withdrawal operation? Confirm. Operation successful. Woo! So my balance now is 437 beans, which is $0.04. So let's wait small and see if I will see notification from my bank that I receive so amount from so people. So guys, let's check my message right now. Okay, see my message. Your withdrawal order has been paid by the user. Please confirm it soon. Payment amount $10. Let's check. Oh my god. Check. Withdraw to be confirmed. Yeah, let's go to my account and check if it has entered or not. Yeah, before I will come here and confirm. Okay, transfer from Bright Chinemere 14,453. Yeah, can you see it? That is the amount I got this morning from AWAZ app. So it's coin sellers that do buy the beans. So once you reach withdrawal, you change to your country, put your account information. Okay, once you put your account information,
So guys, as at the time I was recording this video, this is the how to withdraw from the app, but as at 1st of November this month, the withdrawal method has changed. It's still through coin seller, but now you have to put your coin seller ID. Okay, so you have to put your trusted coin seller ID because it's the person that will pay you. It's no longer like before that you will just place your withdrawal and any coin seller from the app will just buy your coin, will just buy your bin, okay, and pay you. You will input your account information, then you will see where it's provided for you to put your coin seller ID. So make sure that you are buying coin from a trusted person so that in times of withdrawal the person will help you to withdraw and pay you your money. Yeah, because if you don't know the person can just run away with your money. So that's why it's very important. Make sure that you buy coin from your trusted coin seller. All right, so that is it. Once you place your withdrawal, the coin seller will pick your bin, then pay you to your preferred bank account. So guys, that is how to withdraw on AWAZ app. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, feel free to ask. And mind you, for disclaimers, this is me just sharing my experience. I am not a financial advisor. I am not a financial advisor. Okay, this is just for educational purposes. Feel free to make your research before joining any app, okay, that you see online. All right, without no further ado, let's call it a day. Thank you guys. See you all in my next video. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, turn on your notification. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to Blessediyke and Celine. Of course, you guys know I love you all. Ciao, ciao. See you all in my next one. If you have not downloaded AWAZ app, what are you waiting for? Please rush at my comment section or description and download this app right now.